Welcome to today's tutorial. If you've ever needed to print but couldn't connect to the same Wi-Fi network as your printer, this video is for you. I'll show you how to use Wi-Fi Direct with an HP LaserJet M209dw to print wirelessly. No network required. It's quick, easy, and perfect for those moments when traditional connections just aren't an option. With Wi-Fi Direct, you can connect your computer or mobile device directly to the printer and print wirelessly, without joining an existing Wi-Fi network. This is especially helpful if your network is down or unavailable. It's also great when you're in a location without Wi-Fi, such as a temporary office, a client site, or even outdoors. Wi-Fi Direct can make printing faster and more secure because the connection is point-to-point, reducing reliance on shared networks. Plus, it's convenient for guests or visitors who need to print without accessing your main network. The first step is to print a printer information report. To do this, simply press the information button on your HP LaserJet M209dw. This report provides key details, including the Wi-Fi Direct status, the printer's SSID, and the password you'll need to connect your device. Next, you need to turn Wi-Fi Direct on from the control panel. Press and hold the information button until all control panel buttons light up. Then press the resume button or down arrow and the wireless button at the same time. To print a file, disconnect from your old network and connect to your printer's Wi-Fi Direct network. Select Connect using a password instead, and use the Wi-Fi Direct password found on the printer information report. Type all characters of the password, including the dashes. Now, you should be able to print your document.